demonstration.
The music that shaped a generation.
When I see that girl, I got the hippie shakes. Sweets for my sweet, sugar for my honey.
And now, on Saturday the 11th of August, 15:48 a.m. Capital Gold presents all these stars and more with the greatest 60s music festival ever.
Silence is golden.
95.8 Capital FM presents U2.
The Joshua Tree. Zoo Roper. Unforgettable Fire. Zoo TV.
They knew we were coming, man. They knew we were coming.
Get ready for the Pop Mart Tour.
Up to 39,000 competitors, 1 million spectators, and the event of a lifetime.
And they're off to a great round of applause. What a race it promises to be.
A really exciting thing is happening here. The men are closing on the leading women. He passes 21 miles in the lead.
Those are the two battling for the top marathon title. The winner of the London Marathon.
The greatest marathon in the world. And we're broadcasting it live from 6 a.m. this Sunday.
15:48 a.m. Capital Gold could be flying you on an all-expenses trip to Graceland, USA.
It's one for the money, you ain't nothing but a hound dog.
Elvis.
95.8 Capital FM brought her to Wembley over the summer. 144,000 watched with fantastic reviews. They demanded her return, and we sold out another 3 dates. Now get ready. She's back again in November.
Tina Turner.
See reflections on the water. Steamy window.
2 more spectacular dates.
Coming from the body heat.
Are you ready to win a copy of Pure Groove 2? Ready to win a library of CDs? Ready to win a state-of-the-art mini hi-fi system worth £850?
Everybody.
Lock it on to London's #1 hit music station, 95.8 Capital FM, for a Telstar Pure Groove 2 winning weekend.
Happy days are here again.
Pure Groove 2, Marvin Gaye, McFadden and Whitehead, 34 classic grooves.
Your mission, if you choose to accept it, to win tickets for the most exclusive film premiere in '96 and to be debriefed in the hottest party this summer, the Mission Impossible Premiere Party.
Anything goes wrong, I call abort. Everybody walk away.
I've been walking these streets so long. Galveston, oh Galveston. I am a lineman for the county.
Glenn Campbell with true American country music at the Royal Festival Hall on Monday, the 28th of April. Call the ticket hotline on 0171 420 1010 or the box office on 0171 960 4242.
We've got the hottest flight, the hottest destination. We've got a holiday you'll never forget. Ever. This weekend, 95.8 Capital FM could be sending you to Hong Kong.
London's #1 hit music station, 95.8 Capital FM, have booked up the Labatt's Apollo on Sunday, the 17th of November.
Hold on tight.
Get your tickets now, and you'll be seeing this year's hottest new property, the Backstreet Boys.
95.8 Capital FM and Tina Turner.
River Deep was another kind of a ballad type. I love the song. The song was so unusual that I thought maybe it mightn't do anything because it was so unusual. I know that Phil was known for that sound and that type of music, but it was fine for the Ronettes. But I also thought Tina Turner. But I enjoyed singing it because it's the first time I had actually sung and not delivered and yelled and screamed. You know what I mean? I just sung the song, just using the power of my voice and getting the right key. And I loved it, but I didn't think it would make the impact.
The music, the facts, the life of Tina Turner.
When I was a little girl, I